Hey guys, welcome to Referral Rocket. My name is Karan, and in this video, we'll see how you can send payouts or rewards to your customers. Now, there are different ways to reward your customers. You can send them a bank transfer, you can send them a PayPal, you can send them a coupon, a credit, or swags if you're doing a milestone product, right? So, as I mentioned in the prerequisites, it's really important to make a decision on what kind of rewards do you want to give your customers. Referral Rocket supports different types of reward options. We support sending gift cards through Tremendous. You can send PayPal. You can also do PayPal mass payouts. You can do Wise batch payments. You can send coupons and credits through Stripe. If you're connecting to Shopify, you can send coupons and gift cards via Shopify. You can do payouts through Razorpay, and as I mentioned, you can also send payouts through PayPal. So here are the different options of sending rewards. And of course, you can also do payouts outside of Referral Rocket and just mark them complete in Referral Rocket. So in the previous video, you probably would have seen how we tested a flow where a user was eligible for a reward. What I've done is in this video, I've connected Stripe and Tremendous, two of the options through which you can send payouts. In Stripe, you can only send payouts to existing customers in the form of a credit or a coupon that applies to their next invoice. Through Tremendous, you can send more than 2,000 gift card options depending on the country that you're in, or you can also send a prepaid Visa card, or you can also send PayPal or ACH or Venmo, but some of the options might have a fee. So please go through our documentation in terms of what are the best options for you to send out payouts. So now let's take a look at how payouts usually work. Once we've identified or we've successfully tracked a referral, the referrer would show up in the reward table. It would show the referrer who the referee is, the amount spent by the referee. It would also show a fraud score so that you can make a decision if you want to reward the customer or not. And it would tell you the final reward due to this customer. So first, let's take a look at sending a reward through Stripe. So you click on the user, you click on issue reward, and then you have the different options over here. If you're sending rewards outside of Referral Rocket, you can just mark them as complete. If you're sending it through Stripe, just select Stripe as an option and send your rewards. Now, what happens is, let's go back to Stripe. This is the customer in question. Let me refresh this, and you can see that this customer would get a credit balance of $20 for the next invoice, right? Now let's try out another option. Let's reward this user through Tremendous. What this does is it sends a gift card through Tremendous. As you can see, they get an email, they click on redeem, and the good part is you don't have to define what type of reward they get. The user gets the option depending on the country that they are in for the different types of rewards they can get. So in this case, I think I've already set it up only to get virtual cards, so they can actually get virtual cards. But if they, it depends on your setup in Tremendous, you get the option to send out more than 2,000 gift card options. All right. Going back, you can also send gift cards through, rewards through PayPal. You can send transfers through Razorpay, which is supported in India. And the other way is to do a PayPal or a Wise mass payout. So you can download the correct format and then apply that in PayPal account to send out rewards to your customers through PayPal or Wise.